All right, so we told you about the game. Unfortunately, that we said you can probably play with kids, anybody in the car. Level it up a bit. So the idea is the story. We're going to tell a story, and whoever starts, so Simone starts. If she says fortunately or unfortunately this happened, then I continue. Fortunately or unfortunately that happened.
So everything has to be prefaced with either of those
Fortunately
words.
or unfortunately.
Gotcha.
So our producer's going to give us an image on screen. Okay.
Is that the image we're to start with, or is that just the name of the game? Oh, okay.
So, all right, you want to start, Sim?
Okay, so unfortunately, I went to the hairdresser today.
And unfortunately, she relaxed my ear and the whole light bun off.
Well, fortunately, she had a wig there that I could use.
That you could use. But unfortunately, the wig did too small for my head.
Unfortunately, though, that doesn't look like a real person who was on the screen a while ago. That's a dummy. That's not a real person. Let us see that image again. Fortunately, we can bring it up.
No, man, that look like you, man. If you did bleach. I chose see me. See that nice nose.
Unfortunately, I can't work with that.
You can't work with that?
No.
Well, fortunately, Benji had a wig and said I could use it.
Unfortunately, I don't buy that either, actually. Because as far as I know, Benji doesn't. Do you? I don't know, I'm just checking.
Fortunately, Benji doesn't wear a wig, but Harrow does.
How did I know?
So Benji was hiding the wig for Harrow.
Fortunately, Harrow acknowledges because he's over there nodding, so at least he doesn't hide.
No.
Yeah.
Now, unfortunately, Harrow don't like letting out him things. So when Benji head towards me with the wig, Harrow had a problem.
Okay. Fortunately, we were able to borrow the wig, and as you can see, it fit quite well. But unfortunately, it was blue.
So fortunately, I just threw one red thing and one white thing and said, "Viva la France!"
Unfortunately, you also tried to go to the US Embassy to get a visa with those same colors, and it did not work.
No, fortunately, our US colors too.
Yes, but unfortunately, it didn't help you.
It never helped me. Well, fortunately, also Argentina color.
Yeah.
So I just leave US Embassy and go on next one. I travel, I just want to leave. Yeah.
Unfortunately, though, the wig was fine, but it didn't help me to find the rest of my body. Can we see that image again? Apparently, I had a body issue, unfortunately, going on because the rest of me was lost. Or was it?
Fortunately, that's a shift dress.
Is it?
Yes.
How badly did it shift?
Just above. Fortunately, above the chest plate, as Jamaica people would call it.
Unfortunately,
above the chest plate.
She looks like she's sitting in a bath. She's wearing a bath. So that fashion statement wasn't cool.
She's sitting in a bath? Oh. Unfortunately, if the bath water catch the wig, it now go, you know.
Yeah. Well, fortunately, guys, this is not a real story. So I think we've come to the end of it, and thankfully so. Because that was just a tiny bit painful, unfortunately. But the takeaway is that Benji does have a blue and white wig. And Harrow also has one as well. So,
you see that?
Great takeaways from our story this morning.
What a little conversation can reveal about your co-workers.
I'm telling you. Fortunately, that story was all fake, but real news is coming up because we don't do fake news here. Raquel is next, fortunately. Take the break. Quickly.
Wake up, Marvin.
Before it goes south, further south.